StevTech was created in 2016 to operationalise the use of drones in agriculture. Returning back to farming after a career in the military, it was clear to me that the tools we had used on the battlefield would transition into farming and other industrial uses. I had seen this trend in the late 90s as GPS technology of the first Gulf War allowed innovators to create self-steering tractors and laid the foundation for the next wave of farm automation. The use of drones and other robotic devices paired with AI could be more significant for Australian farming than auto-steer and GPS guidance, which has been a game changer in row cropping. StevTech has been quietly working away with agronomy companies and farmers since 2016, building our data collection and analytics capability, and have done things that many large ag tech companies have not been able to. Things like green on brown weed detection, green on green weed detection in very complex environments, pest, insect and disease monitoring using ultra high resolution imaging and computer vision techniques. These are not experiments conducted in controlled environments, these are operational now and can occur at scale. The next huge step forward to operationalising the use of drones in Aussie farming has occurred this year. StevTech, in collaboration with Rippercore, has achieved Beyond Visual Line of Sight certification for our drone docking station. What does this mean for the agricultural industry? These docking stations can now be deployed for a cropping season and operated from the office. Data can be collected daily, uploaded to the cloud, processed automatically and sent to decision makers, or in the case of weed detection scans, directly to the agricultural implements. For agronomy companies and farming operations seeking to scale but facing a shortage of skilled labour, this is monumental news. It streamlines processes, reducing the need for manual checks and optimising resource allocation. Whether it's identifying slugs in a canola crop, detecting feral animal incursions, monitoring water levels in troughs, pinpointing disease outbreaks or assessing weed pressure, our technology empowers farmers to make informed decisions remotely, saving time, fuel and resources. This is big news for Aussie farming. We're excited to see what the next chapter brings. To find out more, get in touch with us now.